we record. Okay, so
Hmm.
we will just cut that part.
Yeah.
We will just focus on whatever the teaching part. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so उसको recording करके then I will provide to you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin today's class. So do you have anything to share, everybody? Anyone have anything to share?
Sharing, sir, sad sharing. There is sad sharing.
Okay, no, 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 don't share then,
Then,
because for whole day we are
yeah.
listening those
So
things.
that, so that.
The best part is I never watch TVs and all
No,
TVs.
sir. I
So make sure.
मैं खुद भी नहीं देखती पर ठीक है बिल्डिंग में ऐसा हो गया है तो ओके ठीक है जाने
नहीं
दो
नहीं, but now I'm telling for other guys. So make
हम्म
sure you should not watch TV. And और एक बात ध्यान रखना कि sometimes these things are making you more conscious about any particular thing. So you should not be conscious about that thing. Okay, so
हम्म
तो मुझे लगता है, so I never watch TV, or I never do that. Okay then, just a minute. Okay, chalo. So welcome to day 53, guys, and today we are having a small conversation between man and means the person, someone who want to book his room in a hotel. Okay, and he want to reserve a room in a hotel, and he is speaking on the phone. Okay, so how that person is speaking, and how that another person who is on the other side, how she or he is responding to that person. So who will read? Two-person I need.
yeah
One is M and one is R.
yes I will
Okay, so M is Vaishaliji is M,
Hmm.
and Arti would be R. Okay, Arti, where are your friends? Her name is
Uh,
Durga.
Durga will join by 7, sir. She messaged me.
Okay, 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 no problem.
Uh,
Or we can
and
keep on recording. Don't worry. And what about her?
she already told, actually, if there is a class or not, I will join by 7. So I said, okay. I forgot to message you.
Chaitrali, right? She is not available.
She is available, but maybe she is not like a.
Okay, okay, okay. No
Uh,
problem.
but
Okay,
is late tonight and uh, not wake up. So
Hmm.
maybe.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so start, guys. Start. M is Vaishali ji and R is uh,
Hmm.
Arti. Okay, so let us start.
hello
Yes.
hello
Hello.
Hello, good morning. This is Hotel Yogi.
hello I am Mahesh Rao speaking from Mumbai.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
Can I get double room at your hotel?
Sure. Sir, would you give me the date you wish to book it for?
29 30 and 31st December. How much will it be, please?
How much will it be, please? Okay,
How
next.
much will it be, please?
Huh.
Rupees 450 per night with bed and breakfast, sir.
What about lunch and dinner?
Excuse me, sir. Our charges do not include lunch and dinner, but there is a restaurant attached to the hotel where you can have anything you like.
Thank you for the information. May I take my booking as confirmed?
Oh, yes, sir. But please pay a day charged as an advance at our Mumbai office within a couple of days.
Sure. Please let me have your Mumbai address.
Here it is, 21 Nariman Point, Mumbai.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now see the things like Vaishali, you asked what about dinner, what about lunch and dinner, okay?
Hmm.
So here we need to understand one thing,
Yeah.
that we should not read it, we should
Okay.
speak it,
Okay.
okay?
हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ
आपने वो पढ़ने के जैसा किया. You should
हाँ हाँ.
have that kind of feeling while
Yes.
speaking,
What,
okay? What
what
about
about
lunch
lunch and
and
dinner?
dinner? No, you should have that curiosity in your mind, like you are
Yes.
asking
Hmm.
her, okay? So you
Hmm.
should ask like this: what about lunch and dinner? So it's like that. It's not what about lunch and dinner. Like this is not the way of asking questions, right?
Okay. Okay. हाँ.
So whenever, see, this is the important point. You can get this conversation anywhere, okay? ये जो आप
हाँ.
मैंने आपको लिखा दिख रहा है, ये तो आपको कहीं पे भी मिल जाए. That is not the part. That is what I
Yeah.
am not teaching you. What I am teaching you, how you should speak.
Hmm.
Okay, wherever you want to make a polite request, so
Hmm.
your tone should be like that. Okay,
Yes.
somewhere if you want to ask question, so your
Hmm.
tone should be like that. अभी मराठी में अगर हम पूछते हैं डिनरचं आणि लंचचं काय, मीन्स लंच आणि डिनरचं काय, okay?
Hmm.
So that should be a curiosity question, means where you are you are curious about it. Understood?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so you should do like that. Okay, so like now we will do the demo, Ashmi and me. Okay, Ashmi, are you
Hmm.
ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what you would like to be, you should, I think you become M. Okay,
Okay.
चलो, you are M and I am the R, means I am the receptionist. Okay, जो मैं आपका फोन उठा रही हूँ. Let guys just focus on this, how I am speaking. Okay,
Yeah.
yes Ashmi, start.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, good morning, this is Hotel Yogi.
Hello. I'm Mohesh Rao speaking from Mumbai.
Yes sir, what can I do for you?
Can I get double room at your hotel?
Sure sir, we would give me just a minute, मुझे ये यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा है. हाँ, sure sir, would you give me the days you wish to book it for?
29, 30 and 31st December. How much will it be, please?
Now the next page. Rupees 450 per night with bed and breakfast sir.
What about lunch and dinner?
Excuse me sir, but charges do not include lunch and dinner, but there is a decent restaurant attached to the hotel where you can have anything you like.
Thank you for the information. May I take my booking as confirmed?
Oh yes, ओ यस यस सर, अभी यहाँ पे ये है, तो अभी आप यहाँ पे ओ यस इतना भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, राइट, नाउ दिस इज द गैप. अभी अगर आप खुद का फोन है, आपको अगर खुद के बिजनेस के लिए या आपको खुद को कुछ किसी चीज के लिए फोन आया, तो आप ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, ओ यस बट प्लीज, ऐसा लाइक. ओके, और यहाँ पे अभी उसने सर बोला है, तो ठीक है, यहाँ पे सर या मैडम कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओ यस सर, but please pay a day's charge as an advance at our Mumbai office within a couple of days.
Sure. Please let me have your Mumbai address.
Here it is, 21 Nariman Point, Mumbai.
Thank you.
You are welcome sir, or you are welcome, or you are welcome sir, you are welcome ma'am. Okay, so this is what is the way of speaking. अभी ये कैसे आएगा? You have to practice it once, twice, thrice. This is not the important. See, whatever I am giving you, this is the conversation. You can get this kind of conversation on the internet. Lot of conversation you can get. But the way you are reading or the way you are practicing, that is important. Are you getting my point? Yes,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
So the conversation I am giving you, that is not important. You can
Hmm.
get that conversation on the Google or anywhere else. Okay,
Hmm.
you just if you just open a Google and you just type like a conversation between two person, right? Text in text format. So you will get some kind of slides, this kind of okay.
Hmm.
So you
Hmm.
can download that slide and you can read, and
Hmm.
you become both the person, right? A and
Hmm.
B.
Hmm.
Understood? A bhi aap ho, B bhi aap ho, and now you are
Yes.
reading the both the conversation. Is
Hmm.
it good? Okay. So what is your task for today? You should download one conversation from the Google. कोई भी एक conversation download करो, एंड ए का पार्ट और बी का पार्ट दोनों भी आपको ही पढ़ना है, ठीक है? ए है
Yes.
तो उसको भी आपको पढ़ना है, बी है तो उसको भी आपको पढ़ना है, एंड जस्ट रिकॉर्ड दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑन योर फोन एंड पुट इट ऑन द ग्रुप. इज इट गुड?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what is your task for today. And as we are left with the 7 days, okay, so today is 28, right? 1 2 1 2 3. देखो बोलते बोलते कितना टाइम हो गया ना, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ हॉलीडेज इन बिटवीन द सेशन. And as I have told you, or as I promised you, I will give you at least one video in a week. Okay, don't worry. I will give you one video in a week, at least on Sunday or any day we will finalize. And if possible, I will give you one. And if I got chance any, if I am free, then I will give you two or three also, if possible. Okay, so don't worry. One thing I would just like to suggest you, or just I want to tell you. See, this is the journey. Okay, learning English, it's a journey, and the good news is you have booked a ticket for that journey, right? You have booked a ticket for that journey. Means there are so many people who are just thinking to become a part of this journey. But you are the one, you are the, you all are the people who have booked the ticket, okay, who have took first step towards this, toward this, and you have started. Okay, so I was just discussing yesterday with one of my friends, and as we all are trainers, and we are Arti, are you there? Are you listening? Important part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, welcome Alka ji. Alka madam, welcome. If my is my
Okay,
voice
okay,
clear?
sir.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yes.
So we were discussing yesterday that see, now we are a trainer, and we are discussing that I have spent more than 6 7 years in this profession. He had just started before 1 year, and he said he was asking me that he said, sir, how much time this profession will take? इस प्रोफेशन में अगर हमें सक्सेसफुल होना है तो कितना टाइम लगता है, हाउ मच टाइम? आई सेड आई डोंट नो. ओके, आई सेड I don't know how much time it will take, and when you will get success. But it is means it is confirmed that you will get success. But how much time it will take, I don't know. It's completely depend on your efforts, and how much dedicated you are. Okay, so it is applicable in every single thing. कुछ भी अगर आप करें, then I thought about it, like this thing is applicable for everything. Like मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना है तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? तो somebody said 1 month, somebody said 15 days, somebody said minimum 6 month, somebody said नहीं, कम से कम 4 5 साल तो लग जाएगा. Now it is totally depend on your efforts, your dedication, your willpower. Okay, have anybody seen Ashmi's video? बहुत से लोगों ने अस्मी की वीडियो देखे होंगे अपने में से, है ना, बहुत से
Yes,
लोगों ने.
sir.
And if you see her you know pronunciation and quality of speaking, so you will be amazed, right? बिकॉज बहुत इम्प्रूव कर लिया है नाउ। यहाँ पे एक बेनिफिट है उनके लिए कि वो शी इज ऑलरेडी स्कूल गर्ल, राइट? सो शी इज पुटिंग मोर एफर्ट्स, and as we all are professional, like you, me, you know, we all are professional already, we have, you know, gone through this journey. So हमें थोड़ा क्या होता है, it will take more time for us, right? But make sure that whatever time you are getting, whatever you can do, you should put that in this, okay, to improve your English. Whenever you get some, if you got any book, start reading that book. If you get any video, just watch that video. See, reading, it will be more helpful for you, okay? Video देखने से भी देखो, that's also good thing, but reading, it will give you a more result, 100% sure about it, okay? So if you are getting any books, like your daughter, your sons, anybody's book which is in English, so try to read that every single day, like उसमें क्या कुछ कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ो, okay? So it will help you more, ठीक है? uh yes, so we have only this topic today, so can we do it आज जो बोला है आपको होमवर्क, ठीक है? सो करेंगे हम. And
Yes,
how,
sir.
I just want to ask you how you are feeling now that this is the day 53, 7 days more to go. And like, you know uh, what I was feeling, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार अभी तो ये बैच, बहुत लंबा सफर हमने तय किया है, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, बहुत लंबे टाइम से, एक लंबा टाइम, एक लंबा सफर, एक बहुत, ह्यूज लर्निंग वी कैन से. सो वी हैव स्पेंट टुगेदर. सो इट इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट, यू नो ऐसा लगता है कि चलो हम 2-3 दिन में एक बार मिले तो भी चलेगा, बट दिस journey should not end. How many people feel like me, means whatever I am feeling? How many feel the same? How many people are
Yeah,
feeling
yeah,
the same?
same, sir.
राइट?
I
हमें लगता
also.
है कि यार ठीक है, 2-3 दिन का छुट्टी भी आ गया है बीच में, तो ठीक है, लेकिन ये जो चल रहा है ये बंद नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट?
Yeah.
So this is what we call, attachment to anything, right?
Yes, sir.
But make sure you should be detached to the things also. You should have a detachment. वैशाली जी, आपको शायद पता होगा
Yes, yes.
अटैचमेंट एंड डिटैचमेंट क्या होता
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
सो अगर
I
किसी
know.
के साथ हमारा अटैचमेंट है तो उतने ही लेवल पे हमारा डिटैचमेंट भी होना चाहिए,
Hmm.
ओके? बिकॉज सी, डे और यू नो आज और कल, है ना, कभी ना कभी वी हैव टू लीव द थिंग्स बिहाइंड, एंड what move on to the another things, okay? So we should be able to do that, ओके? सो वो भी एक चीज हमें सीखना चाहिए, जो कि मुझे लगता है कि 60 डेज में बहुत सारी हमने बातें की है, तो उन दिनों में आपको बहुत सारी ऐसे चीजें होंगी जो मैंने की हुए, कभी कभी बात की है आपसे, तो वो चीजें ऑटोमेटिकली जब जब आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी तब तक आपके सामने आएगी, ओके? आपने कुछ चीजें शेयर की होगी, तो वो भी मुझे कभी ना कभी याद, या जहाँ पे भी वो वैसा पॉइंट होगा, तो वहाँ पे वो चीजें आएगी ऑटोमेटिकली, ठीक है? एंड नाउ आरती, यू शुड फोकस ऑन हाउ यू कैन, यू नो टेक योर बिजनेस टू द ऑनलाइन ऑनलाइन सेगमेंट. यू शुड थिंक अबाउट इट, ओके? मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम भी
Yes,
बोला
sir.
था, बिकॉज इट इज अ नीड ऑफ एन आवर, ओके? सो यू शुड थिंक अबाउट इट कि मैं क्या कर
Yes,
सकती
sir.
हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ कि जिसके वजह से मैं मेरे बिजनेस को, जो भी मेरा है, उसको ऑनलाइन लेकर जा सकती हूँ. इफ यू नीड हेल्प, आई एम देयर, ओके? यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम, यू कैन कॉल मी और यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम, बट मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग दैट, ओके?